Do you think eating healthy is expensive? What if we told you it doesn't have to be? Welcome to today's video where we debunk the myth that healthy eating equals a hefty price tag. Today we're diving into a few resourceful tips to help you maintain a healthy diet on a budget. Our first tip is all about planning. Yes, planning your meals can save you not just money but time as well. It's like having a roadmap for your diet. It can help you avoid detours into the land of impulse buying and unnecessary waste. When you know exactly what you're cooking for the week, you can shop efficiently, get in and out of the store quickly, and avoid those last-minute takeout orders that can really add up. And don't forget about what's already in your pantry. Take an inventory of what you have before you shop, and incorporate those ingredients into your meal plan. This way nothing goes to waste, and you're maximizing the value of every item you buy. Remember, a well-planned meal is half the battle won. Now that you've planned your meals, it's time to shop smart. The first step is creating a shopping list. It's simple, but it works. It keeps you focused, helps avoid impulse buys, and ensures you get everything you need for your planned meals. Plan your meals for the week ahead and jot down the ingredients you'll need. Next, consider buying in bulk. Items like rice, pasta, and canned goods often come cheaper when you purchase larger quantities. Just make sure it's something you'll use before it spoils, otherwise you're not saving money. Speaking of canned goods, don't shy away from frozen or canned produce. They're often just as nutritious as fresh ones and can be a real budget saver. Plus, they won't spoil as quickly, giving you more time to use them. Next, coupons can be your best ally. Look for them in newspapers, online, or in store apps. They can significantly cut down your grocery bill if used wisely. Moreover, you can plan your meals around sales and discounts at your local grocery store. This means you're not just eating healthily but also smartly. Store brands are often just as good as name brands but come at a lower price, so give them a try. Lastly, growing your own produce might sound daunting, but it can be a fun and rewarding experience. You don't need a big garden. Even a small pot of herbs on your windowsill can save you a few bucks. So the next time you're at the store, remember these tips and watch the savings add up. Many people think that healthy automatically means expensive, but that's not the case. In reality, there are an array of affordable, nutritious foods that are easy on the wallet. Whole grains, for instance, are a less expensive source of fiber and can help you feel fuller for longer, reducing the need for expensive snacks. Lean proteins such as poultry, eggs, and beans provide essential nutrients without breaking the bank. Similarly, fruits and vegetables, whether fresh, canned, or frozen, can be cost-effective, especially when you buy in season or in bulk. But the savings don't just stop at the grocery store. Preparing meals at home can be a real money saver compared to eating out. When you cook at home, you control the ingredients and the portion sizes, helping you maintain a healthy diet and an equally healthy budget. Moreover, homemade meals often yield leftovers, providing additional servings for future meals. So, not only are you eating healthier, but you're also stretching your dollar. If you're finding it hard to plan meals or choose healthy foods, don't hesitate to seek help. There's an array of professionals out there like diabetes care specialists or nutritionists who are trained to assist you in this journey. Their expertise in the field of nutrition and health can be a game changer. They can help tailor a meal plan specifically for you, considering your health needs, your personal tastes, and of course your budget. So, there you have it, a few tips to help you eat healthy on a budget. It's not about making drastic changes overnight. Instead, it's all about being on a sustainable path towards healthier eating habits that improve your health, are kind to your wallet, and help reduce waste. Do you have any helpful tips not mentioned in this video that you would like to share? Please do so in the comments and let's help each other in this community to eat healthier without overspending. Till next time, stay healthy.